Today let's learn setting add-on field to a product with a monthly pricing structure that varies with product price. Use the Formula Builder option to build the required reusable formula to set the pricing. Turn on the conditional formula option to set the pricing based on the conditions. Enter the required custom formula to show the pricing based on the variable product price. Enter the required price on the value section, which will be added to the product price when the condition is matched. And finally, click the Save button to save the formula you have made. Add a field to the form using the drag and drop fields. Enable the pricing options and select the custom formula option to add the formula you have made. Enable the Use Formula Template option to select the formula you have made. And now save the form and check the product page. Now you have learned how to add the Formula Builder option to a form. Thank you and have a nice day.